If you're encountering an API rate limit issue on GitHub Enterprise, it can disrupt your workflow. Follow these steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check rate limit status. Visit the GitHub API rate limit endpoint to see your current usage and limits. This will help you understand how close you are to reaching the limit. Step 2. Optimize API calls. Review your application or scripts to minimize unnecessary API calls. Implement caching strategies or batch requests to reduce the number of calls made to the API. Step 3. Use authentication. Make sure you are using authenticated requests, as they typically have higher rate limits compared to unauthenticated requests. Generate a personal access token and include it in your API requests. Step 4. Implement exponential back. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists despite following the above steps, reach out to GitHub Enterprise Support for assistance. They can provide insights specific to your organization's setup and help resolve any underlying issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the API rate limit issue effectively. Remember to monitor your API usage regularly to prevent future occurrences.